To change your life, start by setting clear, realistic goals and breaking them into small, manageable steps. Identify areas for improvement, such as health or finances, and focus on 2 to 3 key changes to make the process manageable. Develop new habits by being intentional with cues, behaviors, and rewards, and remember that consistent, small changes over time lead to significant positive shifts. 1. Start with reflection. Identify areas for change. Think about what in your life isn't working and what you'd like to improve. Examine your values. Revisit your core values to ensure your goals align with what's truly important to you. 2. Set realistic goals. Break down large goals. A goal like get healthier can be overwhelming. Break it down into smaller, achievable steps, such as exercise 3 times a week. Focus on 2 to 3 key areas, using the 80-20th rule. Identify the 2 to 3 changes that will have the biggest impact on your life and focus on those first. 3. Build new habits. Be intentional. Habits form through a cue, a behavior, and a reward. Create a conducive environment with cues for new, desired behaviors and reward yourself for achieving them. Embrace a small win mindset, instead of trying to change everything at once. Pick one habit, stick to it, and build on that success.